As of my last update in January 2022, here's a list of some of the top Pakistani YouTubers focusing on tech channels. 1. B-Bomb. Although based in India, B-Bomb's tech content is popular across South Asia, including Pakistan. They cover a wide range of topics including smartphones, laptops, apps, and more. 2. Billy 4. Billy 4. U is known for its tutorials, reviews, and guides on technology, software, and programming. The channel covers topics ranging from basic computer skills to advanced coding tutorials. 3. How to Basic ****. This channel is known for its humorous take on tech tutorials, often featuring bizarre and unexpected methods to accomplish tasks. It's entertaining while still informative. 4. Urdu It Club Urdu It Club provides tutorials and guides primarily in Urdu, covering topics such as software tutorials, tech reviews, and how-to guides related to computers and smartphones. 5. Tech Urdu. Tech Urdu focuses on providing tech-related content in Urdu, including gadget reviews, software tutorials, and tips for using smartphones and computers effectively. 6. Traken Tech Urdu Traken Tech Urdu is the Urdu version of the popular Indian tech channel Traken Tech. It covers smartphone reviews, tech news, and comparisons in Urdu language. 7. Mr. Tech Talk ****. Mr. Tech Talk delivers tech reviews, comparisons, and tutorials in Urdu, catering to the Pakistani audience interested in the latest gadgets and technology trends. 8. Ali Technical World. Ali Technical World provides tech reviews, smartphone comparisons, and tutorials in Urdu, aiming to educate and inform Pakistani viewers about the latest tech developments. 9. Mehraban. Ali ****. While not exclusively a tech channel, Mehraban Ali covers a variety of topics including technology, gadgets, and smartphones, along with other lifestyle content. 10. Ask Abdul Wali. Ask Abdul Wali primarily focuses on web development and digital marketing tutorials, but also covers topics related to technology and gadgets occasionally. Please note that the popularity and rankings of these channels may have changed since my last update, so it's a good idea to check their current subscriber counts and viewership numbers for the most accurate information.